Brighton East 2BY is a testament to the harmonious blend of architectural form and functional living. The home's grand entrance, framed by a lush garden path, sets the tone for a dramatic and inviting experience. A double-height entry hall, punctuated by a striking sculptural steel stair and bridge, immediately draws the eye upwards. This architectural feature not only connects the levels but also serves as a visual centerpiece, emphasizing the sense of space and grandeur. The home's interior design is equally impressive. A central circulation spine, running through both levels, provides a longitudinal view that adds to the dramatic effect and reinforces the spaciousness of the home. This spine also serves as a clear division between public and private spaces. On the ground floor, the public side features a main kitchen living area, a study, and a powder room. In contrast, the private side includes a double garage, cellar, gym, laundry, and pantry, offering a discreet and functional retreat. The material palette of Brighton East 2BY is both robust and timeless, inspired by mid-century modernism. Interior brick walls, a recurring feature throughout the home, blur the lines between inside and out, creating a sense of texture and warmth as light moves through the space. Timber elements, including teak ceilings, large oak doors, and wall panels, add a touch of natural warmth to the interior, contrasting beautifully with the concrete floors and white painted reclaimed brickwork. Refined joinery elements and interior design details featuring marble, timber veneers, and mosaic tiles further enhance the home's luxury and sophistication. Lifestyle has been a key consideration in the design of Brighton East 2BY. The home's outdoor living spaces seamlessly integrate with the interior, creating a harmonious and inviting environment. Adjacent to the main north-facing living space, a generous loggia provides a sheltered outdoor entertaining area overlooking the lawn and pool. For a more intimate garden experience, a secluded lounge at the front of the house opens to a walled courtyard, offering a peaceful and private retreat. In conclusion, Brighton East 2BY is a remarkable home that showcases the power of simple, elegant design. Its thoughtful layout, striking architectural features, and luxurious materials create a truly exceptional living experience. This sanctuary of modern elegance is a testament to the art of combining form, function, and lifestyle to create a truly exceptional home. Well guys, so this is the video about Brighton East 2BY. We would love to hear your thoughts on this video and what you think about the design of Brighton East 2BY. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on upcoming projects and other design-related content. And please give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative and useful. Thanks for watching.